Hey guys, how's it going? How to create your first site on Bluehost. First of all, you need to go ahead to the official Bluehost website and you need to log in by clicking your avatar icon at the top right and just log in with your account, right? If you have it already. And next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna install the WordPress. In the Bluehost, you're gonna download the buy the hosting plan, choose AI website creator from the Bluehost and everything, and then basically create your account right here. Add your first name, last name, and add the website logo and everything. And basically, right, you're gonna create or connect your account to Facebook or any other website, and then upload your website logo, and then choose the AI generated website version, and then customize the website and edit your site further in the WordPress if you chosen a WordPress. Okay, and you're gonna see right here in the Bluehost dashboard, you're gonna see websites at the bottom left, or sorry, at the top left, and then you're gonna be able right here to click edit site. And once you are on the edit site button, you're gonna be able right here to see welcome to WordPress, and you're gonna click open site editor, right? And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna be able to see appearance, right? Appearance, and then click editor at the bottom right. You're gonna see a pop-up window if you click appearance and then click editor, right? And basically you're gonna be able to see your website right here, and you're gonna be able to edit the text, themes, and fonts, whatever it might be, right? And you're gonna see right here, this is what it looks like: paragraph, heading, list, quote, code, details, and all that. And then scroll down to find more options. You can also improve the aesthetics of your blocks and add your CSS through this pane, right? You're gonna see the lighting, let me show it to you, like white and black, right? Click on it, you're gonna be able to add or edit the font, right? And if you click the eye icon, you're gonna be able to add the you're gonna see the style book, and where you can see the cascading impact of your customization, right? You're gonna be able right here to see the effect after you edit it right there. Okay, and once you're ready, just hit save, and basically that's it. That only happens after you selected your plan. And basically go to the official website. Let me show you. Just select your plan, get started with your new plan, whether it was basic, choice plus, online store, pro, and look at the features, right? So you can know which feature suits you the best. And basically, like we told you before, customize the website, do whatever you want, and follow the prompts to add your information and your payment. And basically, once you're ready, publish your content and make your site live. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.